This bird just got a fish. Is he gonna take the fish? Maybe he's gonna go grill the fish. What you gonna do with that fish? Oh my gosh. It's still moving. He's thinking about it. What's he gonna do? Oh, oh. Oh, oh! I dropped my phone. Okay. Put it down. Backing away. You don't want him? He's gonna slide back in the water. He just stabbed him with his beak. Now it's a shish kebab fish. Oh my god. What's happening? Okay. What are you gonna do now? You're just gonna eat it? Wait for it? Oh! What? How many times? Huh? How many times? What is this, a toy? You gonna do it again? Oh my. Murder. Why? Oh, maybe he's getting little chunks at a time. Nibble, nibble. God. I don't know. God, every time I make that noise. Gosh. Where's he gonna go now? Oh, you gonna put him back? I don't think he wants back. Don't you? Oh. 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 Can you fit that in your mouth? You're gonna choke. Oh my god. Yeah, you can't. Think about it, please. Cut it into smaller pieces. No. His neck is not that big. Okay, maybe he's just gonna fly with it sideways in his... Holy... Okay, he's gonna choke. Look at his neck now. Oh, I just like the shape of the fish on his neck. Oh, that's gotta hurt. God, I'm having trouble swallowing. Watch this. Okay, it looks like it's gone down a little bit. Man, I lost my appetite. Whew.